Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. So for today's exciting episode guys, we are going shopping at Fendi. So we are going to check out their latest bag collection including the baguettes. Also, we are going to check their SLGs and jewelries. This is going to be exciting. So if you want to see very beautiful eye candies, please stay tuned. Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our luxury addicted family. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramirify so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, so our next stop is we are going to Fendi. So hopefully again, pray that I will be able to get good shots and hope you enjoy this episode.
Look at this Fendi window display. Sorry for the flickering light. I think they are LED boards.
Can I see? Ah yeah, the yellow. It's the same price, no?
Yes, po, for that one.
Ay, the yellow is a winner.
For this one, po, 102,500.
Really? For the skims?
Yes, po.
41,900. I like the red. Diba?
Orange?
No? Is it orange?
Orange po, yeah.
Ah, okay. Oh my God. Ang
Parang
color.
rin po siya na
Parang red orange.
skim solid din. Yung color mo
Yeah, the yellow. This is the newer collection na yata.
Yes, opo. Part of the Olak family. For fees, 19,500.
19. So 20. So 40,000
Yes.
for a pair.
Yes, po.
And it is, you said plated?
Yes, po.
That one naman po is, by the way, it comes with the long stomach. Tapos, I really mas mura yun Ganda siya, no?
I love that. I just don't like the color.
Only, no?
Yeah.
It disappears.
Yeah.
Hindi ako
I
pwede
just don't like the color.
Kasi yung stretch ko pa din, yung pwede sa akin.
Ang colors lang namin for that size is, eto po.
19,500 for both.
9-0?
Yes.
Oh, why?
Ay,
Is it?
1919.
Ah, one. Okay,
Yeah.
nine. Alright. Okay, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. Teka, oh my God. And then this material nito, is non-tarnished?
Sorry po.
Non-tarnished material.
That one, natatarnish din po siya. But ano po siya, silver plated na.
Oh, 19,000 flat or 19,200?
19,200.
19,200. Ah, it's nice, ah. Oo nga. Yan, 19,200. Yeah. Versus Dior. Tsaka sa Prada.
Ako yung may familiar ako eh.
Diba? I like. Do you want?
Sige, saka.
Sapatos na lang, Jess. Ano, full bedding mo ba siya?
$13,500.
Ito.
19,200. There.
That's it.
40? I think. This is nice.
120,000.
120. And then this one,
Exact price. Double check ako.
120 for the two.
Para makilala yan. Nalibasa din na po yun. Ayaw talaga ng letter. Remember, effect.
Yours is
Nagkakamark.
92.
Yun ang ayoko sa shades. Consider ko siya.
This one. It's nice. 85. Yeah. Why not? Yeah.
Yes, meron naman.
Yeah.
Hi guys, so we just finished with Fendi. Hope you enjoyed that. There, how did you enjoy our shopping episode for today? Wasn't that really something, guys? So unfortunately, they don't have much new bags. Like for example, I really wanted to see the Fendi first. But what they have would be, I think their latest collection that they have at our Fendi store is the Skims collaboration. I've also checked their, of course, the Fendi baguette. Then of course, the yellow box bag is still there, which Yen and I are still super interested. And also the jewelries, I was able to test and try on the earrings. The CA is very kind. Thank you so much. I was actually looking for the big F earrings. Unfortunately, they don't have that here. So maybe we are going to try Fendi at the other location at Glorietta and check what we could see. But hopefully guys, you enjoyed today's episode. Among the bags, SLGs, and jewelries that I've shown you, which one you like the most? Let's have conversation and comment down below. Again guys, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our luxury addicted family. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/AmirFi so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Again guys, a million thank yous for staying with me in this episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please do stay safe. I would see everyone soon. Bye!